Hello and welcome back to another Always Career Design video. Today we are back working on the bike. We've got some parts to put on, but today I'm just going to start off by putting on these ODI lock-on grips. I'm kind of excited to get rid of this twistiness over there. And it'll allow me to put on my wraparound handguard on the throttle side. So that's what I'm going to do first. Oh, and if anyone knows what this is, let me know. It came as a gift in my order, but I don't know what it goes to. I assume it must be something universal. Bead lock bolt, 5/16 gold. I have no idea where that goes. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much, and let's get to it. Okay, so I'm just taking this video just for myself mostly. Just checking for which way these cables go on here. So back wire comes up in the groove, and then it is the first of the two. The other wire comes back, that's towards the front. Obviously snaps over that way. Again, through the little plastic piece, wraps it around into the back. So now that's all really loose. I'm going to take the rest of the way apart. So I got the throttle tube all off now. It's a perfectly fine grip and throttle tube, so keep that as a spare part. This is the package. Has the two grips, throttle tube, then the lock-on, and it has the extra pieces on the back for changing between, it says 2-stroke and 4-stroke motocross applications. So that is what we're going to take apart. So this is everything it comes with. 2 grips and the 6 cams. I believe 3 of them are for 2 strokes, and then 3 of them are for 4 strokes of the different brands. And then you just follow the instructions in this QR code right here. Yeah, so once you open that QR code, you get this screen. It has all of the cam related to your bike. So I'm going to find my Honda. Okay, so I was just looking through here. I was confused because I couldn't see I couldn't find it. Anyways, I was looking at Honda way down here, but it's actually at the top. Crf250r, 2004 to 2025, cam B. Bam. And that's what comes stock on the throttle tube. So that makes it easy. And we're going to chuck it back on. So as I was saying, cam B is what comes on it, and looks exactly the same as the OEM cam. So I was going to put this back on, and I forgot that the whole point was that these have knockout ends. So cut them out, knock them out, and then put the throttle back on. Okay, so grip is on. The knockouts certainly don't just knock out. You have to cut all the way around, and you need to find the little groove that they make. They do have a little groove for you to follow, so it does cut out fairly cleanly. And obviously you're not going to see any of that with my handguard on the end, so it's no big deal. But now I can, it's moving all freely, I can put it back together. Okay, so now we have throttle returning fine. This I have to choose where the throttle goes. Ow, my foot. Do I want those there, or do I want them more rotated? Your fingers, I'm guessing, are supposed to go in there. I guess that's fine. So then rotate this around. About there. I'm not sure if there's a right or wrong spot for this stuff, but pretty level. Yeah, so there we go. Should work just fine. I mean, throttle feels a little tight, so I don't know. I think this is all the way in. We'll see what idle sounds like when I start it up. And yeah, hopefully this is good. Gives me some protection. Might be going on a ride soon, don't know. Depends on weather and things. So yeah, this is all just upgrades before I head out. Might be getting a rear sprocket since this is geared faster than stock. Has a 49 on the rear, and it's really fast first gear for woods kind of stuff. So slow that down, order the 53. When that gets in, we'll put that on. But for now, it's time to go for a test rip.